Hola, buen dia. My name is Dwight. Welcome to Insurance Spanish. Maybe you studied Spanish in school. Maybe you even grew up speaking Spanish at home. But now you're in the business world and you need business vocabulary. Come with me as we go on location to look at Insurance Spanish in action. Today I'm here with Elias in Murrieta, California. Our phrase for the week is, what is your annual payroll and what type of work do your employees do?
¿Cuánto paga de nómina al año y qué tipo de trabajo hacen sus empleados?
This is an important question to know when you are helping businesses with their workers' compensation insurance because the price for a workers' compensation insurance policy is based on the estimated annual payroll and the type of work the employees are doing. Workers' compensation insurance helps pay for employees who might be injured on the job. The greater the risk of someone getting injured on the job, the more you're probably going to have to pay for workers' compensation insurance. For example, the rate for trimming trees,
Podando árboles,
is going to be more expensive than for an employee doing clerical work.
trabajo administrado,
This is because there is a greater risk of an employee getting injured while trimming trees than while doing clerical work. For example, the workers' compensation rate for tree trimmers could be $30 for every $100 in employee payroll. The workers' compensation rate for clerical employees could be $1 for every $100 in employee payroll. This means that if an employer has annual employee payroll of $100,000 for tree trimming employees, the employer would pay $30,000 per year for workers' compensation insurance. If the employer has annual employee payroll of $100,000 for clerical employees, the employer would pay $1,000 per year for workers' compensation insurance. Employers also pay more or less depending on the number and severity of workers' compensation claims that the employer might have had in the past, but that's more than we need to know for today. For today, we need to be able to ask our phrase for the week, which is, what is your annual payroll and what type of work do your employees do?
¿Cuánto paga de nómina al año y qué tipo de trabajo hacen sus empleados?
In English, we don't always say workers' compensation. Sometimes we just say workers' comp. In Spanish, we don't always say,
Compensación de trabajador,
instead they might say,
compensación de trabajo.
and realistically, in the United States, sometimes they might just say,
Workers' comp.
do you want to learn more? Check out our other videos. Like us and subscribe to the channel. In the comments section, let us know what videos you want us to do next.